Have you ever wanted to backtest your trading strategy for free, but you don't have a TradingView Premium account? What if I told you there is a free charting platform where you can use a replay bar and practice trading step by step, just like real market conditions? Today, I'm going to show you a simple way to do backtesting for free using TradingLead. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel LutaMarkets. On this channel, we help traders learn Forex trading, trading strategies, trading psychology, and powerful trading tools that can improve your trading performance. If your goal is to become a smarter and more profitable trader, then you're definitely in the right place. One big mistake many traders make is not backtesting their trading strategy. They learn a strategy on YouTube, then jump straight into the market. But without backtesting, you don't really know if the strategy works, how the market behaves, or whether the strategy has a real trading edge. Some traders believe they need expensive tools like TradingView Premium to do proper backtesting. But today, I'm going to show you how to do backtesting for free using TradingLead replay tools. By the end of this video, you will learn how to access TradingLead chart platform, how to use the replay bar for backtesting, how to simulate market movement step by step, and how to improve your trading skills without risking real money. The first thing you need to do is open Google, then search for TradingLead. Open the website tradinglead.in. TradingLead is an online charting and technical analysis platform that offers analytical tools and backtesting features for traders. If this is your first time visiting the platform, you will need to create a free account. Just click on Register, fill in your details, and create your account. After completing registration, you'll be taken directly to the TradingLead dashboard. When you open the dashboard, you'll notice something interesting. The chart interface looks very similar to TradingView. You will see chart tools, indicators, drawing tools, multiple time frames, and market analysis tools. So you can analyze the market almost the same way you would on TradingView. Now let's talk about the most important feature, backtesting using replay bar. To start backtesting, click on the replay bar. After clicking it, the platform will allow you to select the part of the chart you want to replay. Choose the area of historical price action you want to practice on. Then click the play button. The chart will start moving candle by candle just like the live market. Now you can practice trade entries, stop loss placement, take profit targets, and trade management. This is one of the best ways to practice trading without risking real money. Another good feature is that you can change any time frame, increase the chart speed, or slow down the market replay. This helps you study market structure and trading setups much better. Alright guys, I hope this video helped you learn how to backtest your trading strategy using TradingLead. If you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe to LutaMarkets, and comment below. Also, tell me in the comments which trading tool would you like me to find a free alternative for next. And don't forget to share this video with another trader so they can also learn how to practice trading for free.